Imagine one day we only need to wear a little glasses, we can travel around the world. Imagine that one day people do not need to sit in front of a computer in office, and they can complete their work by waving their hands to call out the written display in front of them. Hello everyone, my name is Shunzhi Luo. Today I will talk about the virtual reality. Today I will introduce the VR from three parts. First of all, I will introduce the VR and introduce the development history of the VR. Virtual reality, as the name suggests, is a combination of the virtual and reality. In theory, virtual reality technology, also called VR, is a computer simulation system that can create and experience a virtual world. It uses the computer to generate a simulation environment and immerse users in the environment. VR is to use the data in real life through the electronic signal generated by computer technology and combine it with various output devices to transform it into phenomena that people can feel. The development of VR have four stages. In the first stage, in 1929, Edward Link designed a simulator for training pilots. In 1956, Morton developed a multi-channel simulation experience system. The second stage is 1963 to 1972, the building stage of the virtual reality. The third stage is 1973 to 1989. This is the stage of the emergence of the concept of virtual reality and the initial formation of the theory. In 1976, Dan and others developed the data glove. In 1984, NASA Research Center developed a virtual environment virtual display for Mars exploration. The fourth stage is the 1990s to now. Since the 20th century, VR technology has developed, and the software development statement systems have been improved. The next part is about the characteristics and the main technology of VR. The multi-sensory means that the computer technology should have many ways of perception, such as hearing, touch, smell, and so on. The ideal virtual reality technology should have all human perception functions. Immersion is the most important feature of the VR. It allows users to become and feel that they are a part of the environment created by the computer systems. Interactivity means that when the user performs a certain operation, the surrounding environment will also make a certain response, such as if the user touches the object in the virtual space, the user should be able to feel it. Conception is also called imagination. In the virtual space, user can interact with surrounding objects and create scenes that do not exist in the object world or environment that cannot happen. Next, we have some key technology to show. The establishment of the virtual environment is the core content of the VR system. The purpose is to obtain three-dimensional data of the actual environment and establish the corresponding virtual environment model according to the needs of the application. The interactive function of the virtual reality depends on the development of the stereo display and the sensor technology. The existing equipment cannot meet the demands. More research is needed. The generation technology of 3D graphics is relative mature, so the key is real-time generation. In order to ensure real-time, at least ensure that the refresh rate of the graphics is not less than 15 frames per second. VR is more and more popular, so I will introduce the VR application. In recent years, due to the widespread application of the VR in the movie and the game industry. The first on the site 9D VR experience whole built with the virtual reality technologies as the mainstay has been released. Since the complications of the first site 9D VR experience store, it has been very influenced in the movie and entertainment market. This experience allows players to experience the feeling of being in the real sense. At the same time, with the continuous innovation of the virtual reality technology, this technology has also been rapidly developed in the game field. VR has made achievement in the field of design. For example, in home design, people can use the virtual reality technology to experience the interior structures and house appearance through the VR, making them visible objects and the environment. Also, VR is very useful in the space and the mystical and the mystery. And now I will show the video of the VR.
Reality doesn't believe in the impossible. It doesn't believe in moving without limits or breaking the laws of physics. Reality will never let you enter magical realms. Will never let you stop time or wield a lightsaber. But that doesn't mean you can't.
The topic I talked about today is VR. In many ways, VR is developing rapidly and it plays its own role in various fields. Let us look forward to more development in VR. Thank you.